up, YouTube? It's Kamaya and I'm back with another video. I have been wanting to do a Powerpuff Girls inspired like little 3-part series for a long time, and so here I am finally doing it. If you want to see how I achieve these Powerpuff Girls looks, just keep on watching.
Smart one always means the boring one, and I'm not boring. I'm a fiery redhead. And who made Bubbles the cute one? I'm cute. Look at this bow. And what makes Buttercup the tough one? Tell that to the monsters I beat up. I'm smart, cute, and tough. I'm the whole package.
So for the first look, we're going to dip into the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place and take this burnt orange shade and put it in the crease for my transition color. Next, taking the Morphe 35O palette, I'm going to dip into the darker brown and just deepen up the crease. Dipping back into the Magic Mini, I'm just taking this baby pink shadow and putting it all over the lid, and going into the Jlarue pigment Saint and putting that all over the lid as well, just for more shimmer. And it's a really simple eye look. That's all for shadow. We're gonna add some liner and lashes, and then we're done with this one. So you know you can't forget to spray. And basically we're done with this look. I'm just gonna add these hair accessories that I got off Amazon and curl the front pieces of my hair, add some lip gloss, and yeah, we're moving on to Buttercup.
So Buttercup, what do you enjoy most about being a Powerpuff Girl?
I get to use my fists a lot.
You're known as the tough one, but what about your sensitive side?
What about it?
Nothing.
Wanna arm wrestle?
So for this look, we're gonna start by dipping into this lime green shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette and using that as my transition. Next, I'm going to take a darker green from the same palette and just deepen up the same shadow that I already laid down. Now with the Zulu palette from Juvia's, I'm going to take this shimmery green and just put it all over my lids. Now I'm taking this very deep green from the James Charles palette and putting that in my outer corner and blending it into my crease. And finally, I'm going to take a black and just make it even darker in that outer corner and just add some shimmer in my inner corners before putting on my eyeliner and lashes. For my lower lash line, I just took the bluish green from the Zulu palette and added some mascara. And now I'm going to line my lips with brown before using the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Creme Brûlée. Now I'm going to set my face, and we are done. Next up is
Bubbles, being the cute one. You're not as tough as your sisters.
I'm tough. I'm just as tough as they are. Well, I think I'm gonna go coloring my coloring books and maybe take a nap and beat up Mojo Jojo. Hey, you want a piece of me? And then maybe color some more.
So from the Morphe 39.8 palette, I'm taking that tan color and just using that as my transition. And now taking this deeper brown, I'm going to darken the outer corner and the crease. Y'all should know the drill by now. Now using this light blue Plouise base, I mixed it with a little bit of white because I wanted it to be a little bit lighter. I didn't want it to be a dark blue. I wanted it to be more of a baby blue. I'm just patting that on the lid. I don't want it to be a cut crease, but I want it to be more soft. So that's why I'm using those patting motions. Then taking the Magic Mini palette, I dipped into that shimmery blue and just set that down. I'm going to finish this look off by adding shimmer to the inner corners and putting on some eyeliner and lashes. And that concludes my Powerpuff Girls series. I hope you liked it. Comment down below and let me know which one was your favorite out of the three. Bubbles, Buttercup, or Blossom. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on my post notifications so you don't miss it when I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is giving bubblegum Barbie.
Now I got